Hey, what's up? So, you want your words this size instead of like this size. But how do you do that? Because you don't really know how to use CSS that much. Well, so all you have to do, H1 or H2 or all the way down to 6. And these are really nice when you're starting out. So H1 is the biggest. And then you can do hello. And then it'll go like that. But then you can go all the way down to H6, which is very small. I can barely even read that. And it's just a really nice thing that they added. Because if you don't know CSS, well, I'll show you how to do this in CSS. So font size. And then you can just do your amount of pixels. So 35 px. And then we'll take this H4 tag out. And we'll see what it looks like. Yeah, it looks like that. It automatically bolds it too, which is a little bit of a problem with it. Like if you don't want your words bolded. That's why I would recommend using CSS, because you can just do this. And you can put any size, like bigger, smaller, whatever you want. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.